Figure below shows the distance time graph of two cars A and B, which starts moving simultaneously. So basically, when t is equal to 0 or any other particular time, the vehicle starts to move in the same direction. Analyze the graph to answer the following question. So what kind of graph we have? We have distance time graph. First question is based on the graph, how much further ahead car B compared to car A when the motion starts? Okay, that I'll let you guys answer. So this is car A. So as per the legend over here, that's car A and this is car B. Now, at the starting point, that is, no, sorry, at the start of the journey, how far is car A with respect to car B is the question. It is, yes. Car is over here, that is 10 what? 10 kilometers. We can't leave the unit. Next, determine the speed of both the cars. How do you determine the speed when it comes to distance time graph? Yes, the slope helps. Okay. So I'll find car B. So I can take 0.5, 5 hours later, it is at 20. So 0 to 5 hours, it has traveled 20 kilometers. So the slope over here is correct, 4 kilometer per hour. And find the slope of car A now. I can make use of 0, and one more point is I can make use of this. So 0 to 5, the rise is 10 to 15. So this is 5, this is 5. So this is basically 1 kilometer per hour. I agree that the values are not very practical, but again, it's just a example. Okay. At what time and at what distance will car A catch up to car B? Can you answer with the graph or should we go with the calculation? Well, with the graph itself, we can answer. The point they meet is over here. As simple as that. This point. So we won't be getting an exact answer with the graph. So that we can figure out with calculation. So simple set of calculation actually. So that would be your approximate answer. Around 3.3, 3.4 looks like that. And here it is, this is 12.5. Yeah, around 12.5, 12.5, 13, something like that. So how do we answer this? So when they reach a particular point, they're at that particular point basically. So the position A is equal to position of B. That's the funda. So how do you figure out the position? Well, the initial position plus the velocity into time plus half AT square. So we need to add the subscript. This thing is equal to, I'll write it over here, XB plus UBT plus half ABT square. So what in all is 0. This is 10. UA is, what is it? UA is 1 times what we need to figure out. And what about the acceleration? How do you figure out the acceleration over here? Acceleration is 0. In distance time graph, if you see a straight line, means it's moving at uniform velocity. So acceleration is 0. What is the initial displacement of car B? It's starting from the origin. So this is 0 plus this is 4 into t plus 0. So we have time is equal to 10 by 3, around 3.3 hours. So did we get that? Yeah, we got an approximate, this is an approximate answer. So yeah, I think it's matching. And whatever the distance, so with that we can substitute in. Substituting Tn xa plus uat plus half a t square. So this is 10, this is 1 into 10 by 3, and this is 0. So this would be 40 by 3. So many kilometers. So that would be 10.13 point odd. So yeah, we kind of got that. That's it, as simple as that.